In this video, let's explore the top 6 virtual machines in 2025 that support Game Guardian without root, along with a complete step-by-step setup tutorial. Let's start with the first virtual machine, VphoneOS. I will first show that my device is not rooted. Now, I will show you that my Android version is 14. Okay, now open your Chrome browser. Search for VphoneOS Official. Open the link. Click here and download the app. I have already downloaded it. After downloading, install and open the app. To use VphoneOS on Android 14, we need to turn on a few settings. Open your settings and go to About Phone. In this section, click on the OS version 7 times to enable developer options. Now, open the developer option settings. Scroll down and enable the option Disable Child Process Restrictions. Now, open VphoneOS. Follow along as I click through the options. Click here, select Root Settings, and ensure that the root option is enabled. Now, import both Game Guardian and your game. Now open Game Guardian. Follow my steps exactly as I show where to click. Click on Start. Now open your game. Click on the Game Guardian icon and select your game. As you can see, the game shows up correctly in the list, which means Game Guardian works perfectly in this virtual environment. Alright, moving on to the second virtual machine, Virtual Master. First, I'll show that my device is not rooted. As you can see, my device is not rooted. Now I'll show my Android device's version. As you can see, my Android device is running version 14. Now open the Play Store and search for Virtual Master. Install Virtual Master. Once installed, open it. Click on I agree. Click on Activate. You'll see two options, Notification Method and Disable Child Process Restrictions. Click on Disable Child Process Restrictions. Now, we need to enable developer options and turn on Disable Child Process Restrictions. Open your device settings. Click on About Phone. Tap OS version 7 times. Now, Developer Options is enabled. Open Developer Options in Settings. Scroll down and enable Disable Child Process Restrictions. Open Virtual Master. Click on Tap to activate. Go back. Click on Create VM. You'll see multiple options. Click on Android 5 1.1. Click on In-App Download. Click on Download. Download the file. Once downloaded, select it. Click on Next. Select your device resolution. Click on Next. Click on Complete. Click on Start VM. It will take some time to boot. Allow the necessary permissions. Click on Got it. To use Game Guardian in Virtual Master, we need root access. To get root access, we need to import SuperUser and Exposed Installer. Click here. Click on Add Files. Click on Import. Open the folder where the SuperUser APK is located and select it. Click on Confirm. Similarly, import Exposed Installer. Now, import Game Guardian and your game one by one. Let's see how to use Game Guardian. Open Game Guardian. Click on Default. Click on OK. Click on Start. Open your game. Click on the Game Guardian icon on the side. Select the game you launched. Here too, the game is displayed properly in the list, so Game Guardian functions without any issues in this VM as well. Next up, the third virtual machine, 2 accounts. First, I'm showing you that my device is not rooted. Now I'm showing you the version of my Android device. Alright, now install both Game Guardian and 2 account one by one. Now open Game Guardian and follow my steps. Next, uninstall the old version of Game Guardian. Now open 2 account and follow my steps. Click the Add icon shown below. Now add Game Guardian. Next, click on the Game Guardian icon and open it. Follow my steps exactly. Now again, click the Add icon and add your game. Open Game Guardian and click the Start button. Now make sure the Game Guardian icon is showing up. Next, open your game. Play the game for a while and collect some coins. After collecting a few coins, pause the game. Note down the number of coins collected and click on the Game Guardian icon. From the list that appears, click on your game. Once again, the game appears as expected in the list, confirming that Game Guardian is working smoothly here too. Let's check out the 4th virtual machine, MicroClone. First, I'll show you that my device is not rooted. Okay, now I'll show you the version of my device. Okay, first, install Game Guardian and open it. Now click on Continue. Then click the OK button. Next, click on Default. Now you need to grant App Installation permission, so click the Settings button. Now enable this toggle. Then tick this option and click OK. Now go back. Click the Install button. Once installed, click the Default button again. Now click on Continue. Click OK. Now it says the unnecessary Game Guardian needs to be uninstalled, so click the OK button. Click OK again. That's it. The unnecessary Game Guardian has now been uninstalled. Click the Exit button. Now install the MicroClone No Root APK and open it. Click here. Now click on the Add button. Click here again. Now import Game Guardian and your game one by one by clicking on them. Now connect to the internet. Click Game Guardian. Click here. Allow permission to access files. Click the OK button. Click OK again. Click OK once more. Now enable the Display over other apps permission for both Game Guardian and the MicroClone app. Click the Restart button. Click here. Now open Game Guardian. Click the Start button. Now confirm whether the Game Guardian icon is being shown. Open your game. Play the game for a while and collect some coins. After collecting some coins, pause the game. Now note the number of coins and click the Game Guardian icon. From the list that appears, click your game. The game is showing up correctly, which means Game Guardian runs reliably in this one as well. Now onto the fifth virtual machine, Parallel Space. First, I'm showing you that my device is not rooted. Okay, now I'm showing you the version of my Android device. Now install Parallel Space Lite, the 32-bit and 64-bit support plugins, and Game Guardian one by one. After installing everything, open Game Guardian. Now follow my steps carefully. First, uninstall any old version of Game Guardian you have. Then, open Parallel Space Lite and follow my instructions. Click the Add App icon. Now select and add both Game Guardian and your game. Next, open Game Guardian and follow my steps. Enable the Display over other apps permission for both Parallel Space Lite and Game Guardian. Now click the Restart button. Open Game Guardian again and click the Start button. Now confirm whether the Game Guardian floating icon appears on the screen, then open your game. Click on the Game Guardian icon and select your game. The game loads and appears properly in the list, so Game Guardian is fully functional in this VM too. And finally, the sixth virtual machine, KGO Multi Space. First, I'm showing you that my device is not rooted. Okay, now I'm showing you the version of my device. Alright, now install both Game Guardian and KGO Multi Space one by one. Now open Game Guardian. Next, follow my steps. Now uninstall any old version of Game Guardian. Open KGO Multi Space. Click the plus icon at the top and import your game. Now enable the Install Unknown Apps permission. Again, click the plus icon and import Game Guardian. Now open Game Guardian. Click on Got It. Allow all the required permissions. Now open Game Guardian again. Follow my steps now. Enable the Display Over Other Apps permission for both KGO Multi Space and Game Guardian. Open Game Guardian again. Click the Start button. Now click on the floating Game Guardian icon. From the options, click KGO Multi Space. Now close this and open your game. Click on the Game Guardian icon. Click the text that says KGO Multi Space. Now select your game from the list. Just like the others, the game shows up correctly here as well, indicating that Game Guardian works without any problems. Alright friends, that's it for this video on the top 6 virtual machines that support Game Guardian in 2025. Let me know in the comments which virtual machine worked best for you. See you in the next video.